Welcome to ShitBirdGaming. Today we're making chili. Chili is pretty simple, it's very good, and this time of the year when it starts getting chilly, chili is awesome. And another great thing about chili is you can freeze it and eat it for more chili days to come. So first off, get your beef browned, cooked off. Second off, get a beer. If you don't like beer, get your favorite alcoholic beverage. You're going to need it to get through the day. Cheers. Alright, next step is you want to get a couple onions and a knife. Chop your ends off. I might cut my onions a little different than other people. There's probably a super proper way, but I just get it done. Now peel the outside, you don't want that. It's not good. There's a filmy crap you don't want. Cut it in half. There were your scraps. See you later, scraps. Alright. Now, for chili, you don't want it super thin. You want some good chunks in there. You're making a nice chunky chili. Kind of like that. And then, come back through the other way. This isn't the knife I wanted, actually. It's not for chopping at all. Alright, give yourself a proper knife. And dice. So there's your onions. Next, I got me this beautiful pepper. It's all the colors, orange and red and purple and dark purple and little green and yellows. Cut it up. Kill that motherfucker. So I cut around the core. There's probably going to be a few more seeds in there, just doesn't matter. But you want to get rid of that white shit, for sure. For sure. Cut up your pepper. All similar chunks. We want a good chunky, veggie-filled chili. There's your pepper. Next, I have a local Cubanelle pepper. Those are done. Alright, so those are all nice mild peppers. This guy isn't. This is a habanero. I'm gonna put some of that in there for a painful surprise throughout our chili. So those are mixed in. We're going to put our veggies in the saucepan. I have been heating up, put some olive oil in it. Boom. Our meat is done. I drained some of the grease, but not all of it. And it's going in our crock. Alright, now we're going to open up some cans of light red kidney beans, some diced tomatoes for some more veggie tomatoey goodness, and some chunks. Dark red kidney beans, tomato paste, and your cat if it doesn't be quiet. Nah, that's the Chinese style of chili. Then after you open up all those cans, congratulate yourself with a beer break. Give your peppers and onions a stir. They're starting to soften up a little bit, which is very good, very good, very good. Do want a little more olive oil in there. So now we're gonna dump our beans. Do not drain your beans. Do not rinse your beans. You need all that flavor. The bean juice, tomatoes, and tomato paste. I'm making a fairly large batch of chili. This will probably feed 20 people, I'm sure. I'm gonna freeze some. Give some to my neighbors. So if you're making it for yourself, obviously you don't need 3 pounds of ground beef. You definitely don't need 2 cans of tomato paste. Alright, so now we're gonna give this a stir. Mix it up just a little bit. Grab our veggies, I've sauteed. In. Don't leave anyone behind. You don't want to be left behind. If all your friends are going on a trip to Flavorland, you were left behind, you'd be upset. You'd be really upset. So don't leave anyone behind. So stir it up again. Mix in your vegetables of peppers and onions and spiciness. Spice time. First spice, salt. That's enough. Sugar. About 2 tablespoons of that as well. A little extra because sugar never hurt anybody. Next, chili powder. Yummy. 2 tablespoons of that. Oh yeah. Little pieces of garlic. Next, pepper. Pepper makes everything better. I think I put it on almost everything. Except things that you just wouldn't put pepper on, like ice cream and bananas. No, not beer. Take a sip. Well, maybe. Next, add a little beer. Just stir. Then when you're all said and done, put your gigantic lid on your gigantic pot of chili and tell it sleep tight. Boil some rice. Top with sour cream, you got a sweet chili. Thanks for watching.